Yakima County homeless shelters are not allowed to house unaccompanied minors, teenagers, or children. Local advocates say that leaves hundreds of homeless teens sleeping at friends' houses, in cars, or just on the streets. KVU's Emily Goodell spoke with Rod's House about a proposed $6 million project to build a shelter that will accept minors.
Last year, a survey on homelessness in Yakima County found that 1 in 10 people living without shelter were under the age of 25.
This has been a prevailing issue for decades. It was one of the reasons why Rod's House was founded.
The county has shelter beds for adults, but not for unaccompanied minors. That's why Rod's House has filed a land use permit application to build a permanent overnight shelter for minors and young adults at 1017 East Chestnut Avenue.
We want to be able to meet this need because when young people are on the street and living on their own, they're vulnerable.
The shelter will have 10 beds for the 18 to 24-year-olds and 8 for the 13 to 17-year-olds, located in separate wings.
That'll include a common living area, kitchen that they're free to use, showers, bathrooms. Each person will have their own room as well.
The shelter will also have staff for case management, behavioral health care, education and employment training, and non-emergency medical care. Rod's House says while state law requires them to report runaways, the shelter can help them figure out their next steps.
If there's an opportunity for them to navigate family reunification or whatever the situation may be, they still have a place to sleep at night.
Construction costs for the estimated $6 million shelter will be mostly covered by grants from Yakima County.
Right now, the most important thing the community can do is just submit their comments to the city, let them know what they think. We could really use the support.
In Yakima, Emily Goodell, KVU Local News.
Now you can send your comments to the city through the first week of December. That's only a couple of weeks left for a public hearing in January. Rod's House says if the permit is approved, they plan to start construction next summer and open the shelter in 2023.